Welcome, today in front of me REALME C25s, and I'll show you that the device comes with the earbuds inside the box. So here we got some papers work like warranty letter, the quick guide, and the protective case. Also we got here the charger brick and the USB Type-C cable, and unfortunately we have no here the earbuds inside the box, but if you wanna just use them, you should buy it in the shop separately. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.